Welcome back, Okwamalasti, and thank you so much for staying tuned in until this time. You are watching the Next Billionaire Special 2024 with myself, Usine Nene. Right now, I have with me Unjabulo Madlala, who was the clothing and textile winner in 2021 at the Next Billionaire Awards.
Hello, kunjani sine?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Kade ubuya la ekhaya ufila kanjani nje libuye returning soldier, repetitive, omnibus uwe.
Look, ngesilungu bathi you feel privileged ukubonga nje nokuba nobubele towards ithimba le 1KZN TV hlangene bene Next Billionaire hosts and the whole team as a whole ukubonga. Nando creatives phakathi.
Inside Kalakata. Okay, thank you so much for joining us again for like the millionth time. And even though it's long overdue, but congratulations still, because you still hold the award OI Winner 2021. Now, at the time you won, you were still called Paramo. Sorry, please remind me, because you've rebranded.
Yes.
Paramo Records.
Paramo Records.
Yes. Now you've rebranded to Rebrand Africa Corporation.
Yes, that's correct.
Can you please just take us through that process? Are you still? Is it still the same business? And why did you feel the need to rebrand?
Okay, truth is, the main reason was, give honesty, to get away from the risk yokwenza umsebenzi owodwa under one business.
Under one, okay.
Isikhathi esiningi amabhizinisi aba seasonal. And when you say businesses are seasonal, kusho ukuthi onyakeni iba nomvuzo ngesikhathi esisodwa kuphela esithile. So manje into engicabangile ukuthi kunokuthi ngibe nocezu ley'nkampani ngawani. Angeke ngivule inkampani ezoba i-umbrella, ezoba isihlahla salezi ezinye izithelo ezikuphansi kwale umbrella eyisihlahla esibizwa ngokuthi Rebrand Africa Corporation.
So under Rebrand Africa Corporation, you've got the printing,
yes,
and the branding.
Yes.
Then you've got the music.
Yes, correct.
What else do we have under the corporation?
Look, for now, we've just diversified into a fully fledged publishing company. Sure. So lapho sisazo include ama-comic books, izincwadi, ngale komculo esivele siwuprodusayo as i-record label.
Kuwona wonke lama entities ahlukile e-umbrella. Which one do you feel is doing well, and what would you say is the reason for it to do so well? Ngokubona kwakho nangokwe-feedback othola kuma-customer.
Looks ngiyacabanga ukuthi kubonakala kanjalo, but in essence, in actual fact, in about 4 weeks from now, I'm already getting phone calls for a sound system being needed for imshado ngekhathi zo December. So without ukunciphisa i-entity enye meyikhathisa nenye, akufani onyakeni ukusebenza kwawo lama entity. Kukhona i-entity u-Rebrand Africa Printers ekuqaleni konyaka uzophokophela usimamise i-Rebrand Africa Corporation ngenxa yokuthi unyaka uyaqala, izikole ziyabranda, abantu bayabranda amabhizinisi, badinga advertiser, and then mase sekuya ngasekugcineni konyaka
sekuqasha usound, sesifuna
equipment, and the hosting of events for year-end functions. So akufani, and kuyasiza ukwenza omabili amabhizinisi under isikhwama or umbrella A1.
Okay. So the last time we saw you, you told us about your future plans. Mawucabanga, from that day we saw each other, kuze kube manje, how far have you gone into the future plans? Ikuphi osakwenzile, ikuphi osazokwenza, ikuphi okuma-pipelines okusaphekwa? Yes.
I mean, look, to be quite honest, saqala ngomshini oyi-1, sinane scooter sokudeliver. It's been 3 years since we last met with the Next Billionaire.
Yes.
Look, now sesine-van ethina. So I think that's a huge milestone and in the right direction. Now there's an asset that has been introduced to the business, and that asset will bring and make even more remuneration and profits that are required to run the business.
Okay. So how would you say winning the award in 2021 changed the business for you in a positive aspect? Like what contribution did it come with?
Look, Rebrand Africa Printers back then is and will always be an instiller of identity and recognition. So mangase ngiqhathanise from the last time sikade sikhuluma, or the last time Next Billionaire, ngingasho ngithi kuningi esikuzuzile ngokwe-recognition nakwe-identity. Kwadlula isonto ngathi ngihleli endlini ngisebenza, ngathola i-call and that client had said that they had seen me on the Next Billionaire TV show. So the effects are immediate, the effects are long lasting, and it's something that is priceless to have an opportunity ukuhlala eduze kwakho Next Billionaire show uphinde sikhankase kanje.
Okay, I hear you. Now we're in the middle of Mental Health Awareness Month, and I'm just thinking, you are a male, and society normally doesn't regard our feelings, mental health, and I'm listening to you talking ubhizi kakhulu, and you did say it's easier for you with the kind of job you do to forget about yourself in the process. So how would you say mental health is important? And I want you to speak to the viewers, how would you advise prioritizing mental health?
Thanks for that question and remarks. I myself, I am a victim of circumstance due to mental health.
That sounds like rehab. Hi, my name is Jabulo and I'm a victim of circumstance.
Kandi, in all honesty, mental health in a stigma. So abayinaki and bayithatha ngokuthi kusuke it's the end of somebody's well-being. I myself, for the past 2 years, have been struggling with personal tribulations that have made me slower than I wanted to be regarding the business. Nokuphokophela kweshishini business lethu. But engakusho ukuthi ukuzinika i-attention, ukuzinaka, nokuzikhandla yikona kube imbangela ekutheni ukuthi ngikwazi ngisho ukufika la kulesikhathi engikusona kuyimanje, ngoba uba bengingayinakekelanga i-mental health yami ngabe angikho la namhlanje.
So I could go on and on and on, but of course, yonke into enhle has to come to an end. So this is how we come to the end of our conversation. And thank you so much for opening up and talking to us about your business. But before I let you go, I need you to please let ababukeli know ukuthi bazokuthola kanjani. You rebranded. Because they're searching for Paramore Records, and you have rebranded to Rebrand Africa Corporation. So how do they find you? Go WhatsApp, go Facebook and Instagram, or whatever platforms you're using online.
Thanks, Sne. Kushuthi kubabukeli nabalandeli beshow ngingathi the main focus is communication, and communication through whatever means are possible to the client. Uyasithola kuinkundla zokuxhumana as Rebrand Africa Printers, we still haven't changed. Uyasithola futhi as Paramore Records, the record label, we still haven't changed. Into nje esishintshile was the stable name, Rebrand Africa Corporation. Ukusithola mathupha, it's 067 338 1467. Ukusithola ku WhatsApp, ukusithola nasecingweni. On email, it's rebrandafricaprinters@gmail.com. Ngiyabonga.
We're missing like a business email. Okay, now before I let you go, I have to ask you one last question, which is like a signature for the show. Jabulo Madlala with Paramore Records / Rebrand Africa Incorporation / Printers / ubhizi kakhulu. Are you the next billionaire?
Yes, I will say it again. Ngiyona next billionaire, ibillionaire elandelayo.
Translation yesiZulu ufuna kucaca ukuthi iyona ngempela.
Yes. Thank
you so much. And thank you, Mbugeli, for sticking around and tuning in to this awesome episode of The Next Billionaire, the special edition 2024. I have to sign out from myself and the team. Nonjabulo, thank you. Good night. Next week, same time. Not same place, but you get the gist. Every Tuesday, 9:30, we are together. You know the vibes.